have in front of me an SLX indoor TV aerial kit. It's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this is a very, very simple TV aerial kit. If this works for you, it's a fantastic solution simply because very easy to install, very portable, doesn't take up much space, and in lots of applications it'll work well. If you're in a poor reception area, this will not work for you. My general guidance to people is if you're in a nice urban area or live in a mountaintop, this is a good solution. If you're in a known area with a poor reception, probably won't be a great buy for you. So in terms of what percentage of households are working, probably about 70%, 30%, it's just going to be a real struggle to get it going. So we'll just look at the component parts that come with it here, how to set it up, and then how to work, okay? So absolutely everything you need is here. So you come along, you have the box you come in here, you have a little instruction manual, you have a 3-pin plug that's going to go on the wall, okay? So you just look at a 3-pin plug, plugs in. It's a bit something similar like you'd have for a phone charge or something like that, okay? Now in lots of scenarios you could potentially be powering it directly off, let's say the USB port on your TV, but they provided it for completeness of the kit. Okay, what I'm going to do here at this point is I'm just going to look at these two things here. I'm going to turn it this way, and this is a little stand we can use for standing them up on. Okay, if we look at the power unit here, we have a cable that's coming off. It's just over 1 meter long, and along there there's a little booster, and there's a mini USB connection here. Pushes directly in here. We use the far end here to plug into our plug. So that all of a sudden, boom. So instead of the aerial passively just picking up the signal, now it's actually pulling in signal, radiating it, and that gives it a big dB boost. So normally I would say there's no real comparison between this type of aerial and a sort of an old passive type which you might have used in the past. Their success is quite limited here. Something like this is much, much better. So we come along here, I'll just drop this in here. We have an angle there now. Normally we keep the cam thing. So normally we'll say you'd sit this up in a cabinet, shelf, something like that, next to where your television is, and you just run the cable down. You connect this into the antenna in port on the television itself, and then you throw the television on, do an auto tune. If you have all your channels in perfect reception, that's great. If it doesn't work, then that's poor. But as I said, we'll say if you're in a noted good reception area, that's super. If you look out your window and you're looking around, and everybody on your street who has a TV aerial has massive TV aerials with amplifiers on it, that's not a good sign, okay? But the thing is, with the digital signal and the rollout and things like that, the amount of parts of the country that have very poor reception is less and less. So about 70% of places will do it. If you have good line of sight, you're near a transmitter, if you're in a nice urban area, things like that, generally this will work well for you.